Welcome to this new episode, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone never turn off. What this means is if your iPhone screen often turn off, within a couple of seconds, you can easily make the iPhone screen to stop going off for as long as you want to use the iPhone. You can set this to stay for 5 minutes, and you can set the iPhone screen to remain active for as long as you have the iPhone hold and your iPhone can detect your eye contact. Now, to make your iPhone never turn off, all you need to do is go to the iPhone settings. On the settings, scroll down and click on display and brightness. Then scroll down and click on auto lock. Then under auto lock, there are a few options available here. If you set the auto lock to 30 seconds, your iPhone screen will turn off after 30 seconds. And if you set it to 2 minutes, the iPhone screen will turn off after 2 minutes. However, to make your iPhone never go off until you press the start button or your iPhone can no longer detect eye contact using the front camera, all you need to do is click on never. So once you set to never, your iPhone screen will never go off. So this is how to set iPhone to never go off on your device. If this is helpful, if you want to hit the like button, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.